year. Same money problems? Let's fix that. If you want this year to feel different financially, do these 5 things on January 1st. First, open a separate savings account just for taxes. Move a percentage of every payment there. No guessing, no panic later. Second, clean up last year's loose ends. Third, set one weekly money date. Quickly check your bank balance, unpaid invoices, and upcoming bills so there are no surprises. Fourth, update your pricing or payroll assumptions. If nothing's changed in a year, it's probably wrong. Finally, decide how you'll track money this year. Because starting fresh doesn't mean starting over, it means starting smarter. Start the year smarter. Give us a call to schedule your free needs analysis.